Okay, now say hello. Come on. Hello, and welcome to tonight's cooking class with Amanda and Mike. Tonight, we are going to make our favorite breakfast, overnight oats. It's really easy. And if you comment, so sorry we can't see it because we're making overnight oats. We don't even know if we have enough oats. We're going to find out real quick. Overnight oats is one of our most favorite breakfasts ever, and it's so easy to make. So we're starting with organic oats. That's super important because non-organic oats has ingredients in it linked to cancer. Do your best to avoid those. Okay, overnight oats is a delicious, super easy, healthy, make-at-home meal that you can make in 5 minutes, and tomorrow morning will be ready. We're taking our beautiful organic bananas from Aldi, and we're going to peel the banana.
You broke yours.
I broke mine. Sorry. So today I spent my day writing blogs, making videos for you, and tomorrow we're going to make lots more kale chips. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make kale chips right at home tomorrow. And if you don't like yours as much as mine, we're still live. I was interrupted by a phone call. Don't worry. Potential spam was trying to call me.
Oh, they're still at it.
I didn't mute my phone. Okay. And then you're going to mash your banana. Take a fork, clean fork, and mash. Mash your banana. Such an easy breakfast. And you can even have the kids do it so they can really earn their breakfast tomorrow. That's always super fun.
I'm not very smart, and I can do it too.
If Mike can do it, you can do it. And then after you mash up your banana, the riper it is, the sweeter your breakfast will be. You're going to dump in a cup of oats. Mine is approximately a cup. It's fine. That's what's so great about making your own meals is you can just mix it up and make it work however you like. So you're going to stir your oats into your bananas. Hopefully we also have enough milk.
There's another container.
Oh, there's more milk. Okay. So then we should have timed this too. Breakfast in under 5 minutes. Ooh, I forgot coconut manna. Okay, you need to stir your stuff in.
I'd stir last.
He stirs last. Okay. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of your favorite milk. It could be regular milk, but we're doing dairy-free milk. 1 cup for Mike. Oh, we have just enough to not have to open the other thing of milk. And I forgot to get out a special secret ingredient. Where is it? This is the secret ingredient to any homemade overnight oats. Organic coconut manna. Don't worry, I'll drop a link below
You can have yours.
so that you can have the bestest, freshest coconut manna ever. Coconut manna, unlike coconut oil, coconut butter, well, this is coconut butter. It's the whole coconut, flesh and oil, not just the oil. Okay, now we're gonna add a pinch of salt. Pinch. Mike likes to put protein in his because, oh, you know, you can't just drink your protein. So you put protein in yours. While he does that, I'm gonna put, you know, a big half a teaspoon of cinnamon in mine. If you want to get more delicious recipes delivered to your inbox, DM or private message me your email address so I can get you some yummy recipes. And then we're going to put in a splash of organic vanilla. Organic is good and all. It's more important to buy pure vanilla. Let's put half a teaspoon. Imitation vanilla is just that, imitation. It has modified ingredients in it, which have also been linked to cancer. Would not recommend. Pure vanilla only. I'm going to stir mine up. What are we missing? Next, we're going to add chia seeds. So we're going to put in
Chia
seeds. I can open it. And if you're joining us, welcome to Cooking with Amanda and Mike tonight. We are making meals for our quarantine at home, which are 1, staples we always eat, and 2, things you can make with ingredients you most likely have in your pantry. tablespoon, which is 3 teaspoons. And if you like dry overnight oats, put in 4 teaspoons. And if you're like, oh, I don't have all these ingredients at home, or I have this other randomness of ingredients, let us know what they are. Drop in the comments, and I'll see what I can make with it, and I'll tell you how to make it unless I also have the same ingredients. So we're going to stir it up, mash up the manna, and that's it. We made this the other day with, we replaced the banana with blended up jackfruit, the fruit around the seed pod, not the white fleshy part, and it was so good. So good. So that's it. You're just going to stir it up, mix it all up, put a lid on it, put it in the fridge, and then you will have breakfast tomorrow topped with fresh fruit. Stay tuned for tomorrow's cooking class, quarantine cooking class. Maybe we'll have a guest appearance tomorrow by somebody else. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what we'll make tomorrow, but we'll figure it out. Until then, stay safe. Press the like, press the, okay, that's fine. Okay, bye, we're leaving. Have a great night.
Chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies might be tomorrow. Bye.
Gluten-free, vegan, chocolate chip cookies.
I like cookies.
We like cookies. Tomorrow, cookies.
I'll even wear a Cookie Monster shirt.
Come back tomorrow for cookies.